We are going to be using the reset options to recover from serious problem in the Windows 11 operating system. Let's say you are working on your device, or you've been working on your device for a very long time. Then you observe that your device becomes very unresponsive. It keeps on giving you blue screen of death. You've tried all possible options to actually fix that problem, but still yet the problem is not fixed. So let me show you how to actually fix it using the reset option on your Windows 11 operating system. Well, the reset this PC in Windows 11 provides a straightforward way to recover from a serious problem by reinstalling the operating system. So this tool allows you to refresh or completely reinstall Windows, offering options to either keep your files or remove everything. So first of all, to reset your device, what you need to do is to go to your Start menu and then click Settings. In Settings, go to System and then scroll down, and here you can see we have Recovery. So click on Recovery, and here we can have, you see the option Reset this PC. But before you reset your PC, I will advise you to back up all your files. If you're using OneDrive, you can move all your files to your OneDrive. And if you don't have OneDrive, probably you have an external drive, you can move all your files and folders to an external drive on your device. Because if you try to reset your PC and you do a kind of a clean installation, definitely you're going to lose all your files and folders. So what you need to do right now is to reset this PC. And you can see we still have the option to actually fix problem without resetting your device. So Microsoft is trying to give you some other options, like trying to fix what the problem is, fix problem using Windows Update as well. So if that does not help, then we can now go ahead to reset this PC. Here you can see we have two options. We can either keep our files or remove everything. By keeping our files, it's going to remove the app and settings, but our personal files will be intact and will be saved. But if we decide to remove everything, it's going to remove all our personal apps, our files and settings. So let me just try keep my files. Here you can see it says cloud download or local reinstall. You can see that your device is going to be actually reinstalled, but still keeping your files. If you do the cloud download, it's going to take more of a time. You need access to the internet, so it's going to go to the cloud and download Windows and then reinstall it back on your device. Reinstall your device with a kind of a fresh installation, but keeping your files. Local reinstall means it's going to reinstall Windows from your device. It's going to use the Windows already installed on your device, so reinstall Windows probably to a previous version, like a clean installation, what you did the first time, and indeed also keeping your files. But at this moment, I don't want to I can actually select one and then do a kind of next, and then we can also change settings as well. Reinstall Windows from this device. I can say no, I can say yes. But let me just cancel this because I don't want to actually reinstall my device. I just want to show you the possibility of resetting this device. Reset means reinstallation. So don't get it wrong. It means reinstalling your Windows operating system. Either you keep your files or you remove everything.